If you've invested in Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund and you want to withdraw your interest or you want to withdraw your capital, here's how to do it. Now, it's not about the Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund is that they don't give you your interest to your bank account straight up. You have to withdraw it yourself. If you invested in Treasury bill, you discover that once they want to pay your interest, it goes straight to your bank account. But with Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund, it does not work that way. You have to initiate the withdrawal. Now, I'll be using Stanbic IBTC 3.0, and inside the app, I'll be using BlueNet to withdraw my Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund. It is very easy. Now, you have two options when you want to withdraw. Is either it goes straight to your bank account or you withdraw to your account wallet. Now, these are the two options you can use while withdrawing. Now, if you're withdrawing to your account wallet, you can still reinvest that money, or you can withdraw it from your wallet straight up to your bank account. So depending on any option you want to use, but the withdrawal process is seamless. But one thing I want you to understand is that sometimes you might initiate the withdrawal and it will not go to your bank account because of they have network glitch most of the time. Like, this is not the first time I'm experiencing network glitch. I've been experiencing network glitch when I'm using this BlueNet or even when I'm using their website. Sometimes I reach out to their customer service and they're telling me they're going to fix the issue and the rest of them. So if you are trying to withdraw using the method I'll be showing you soon, and you are seeing that after some days, maybe 2-3 days, the money have not reflected in your account, you should keep trying, because most times they will revert the money back to your account. That's your wallet. So you should keep trying to withdraw. Now, the safe time to withdraw is from Monday to Friday, not public holiday. Monday to Friday, try withdrawing from the hours of about 9 o'clock in the day, and hopefully it will not be reverted back to your wallet. It will go straight to your bank account. Now, I'll be showing you how to withdraw, and I'll be using my screen to show you all that. It is easy. All you have to do is enter your dashboard and get on withdrawing. Let me show you how to withdraw as I screen record my screen. So here's how to withdraw. You come to the Stanbic IBTC 3.0 mobile app, then you would see the BlueNet section. Then you click on it. You have to log into your account, so you can use your Face ID or your password. So once you log into your account, you see your dashboard like this. Now, how do you go on investing? You just click on see my investment, or click on see all my investments. So once you click on see all my investments, it's going to fetch some stuff for you. Now, I don't want to withdraw all my this, and I have two current money market mutual fund. I have two currently that I'm currently invested in, and I want to just use this as a demo or to show you how to invest. How to withdraw, and I'll be withdrawing a small amount of money, maybe like little of my interest. So you click on the card here. If you want to withdraw from the first one or the second one, now to withdraw from the first one, and you just click on sell your investment and get value. So once you click on that, you click on continue, and you click on immediately rather. Then where do you want to redeem it? Here's where it gets interesting. Is that you are redeeming to your bank account or to your wallet? You have to choose one. If it's your wallet, you choose there. If it's your bank account, you choose there. So let's say I want to withdraw straight up to my bank account. Now they have your bank account details. You imputed it when you are registering, and you can get it to your wallet also, depending. So let me say I want to withdraw to my bank account. Then how much do you want to withdraw? You just, let me say, just 1,500 naira. Like I said, this is a demo. I just want to show you how to withdraw. 1,500. Yeah, you just click on submit. Okay, they say you cannot redeem less than 5,000 naira. Yeah, so I don't want to withdraw. I have just 50,000 naira in this money market mutual fund. But you've seen the process on how to withdraw. If you want to withdraw all your interest, it's also okay. If you want to withdraw all your interest, you just click on redeem all, and all of them will just be out there for you to redeem. So that's how to withdraw. It is very much easy, very much seamless. I will not be withdrawing here because you saw what the information said, and I don't want to withdraw. I want to keep making profit from this money market mutual fund. So you can go and withdraw if you want to withdraw your capital, or you want to withdraw your profits. If that's gotten to more than 5,000 naira, you want to withdraw. So that's all on how to withdraw on your Stanbic IBTC Money Market Mutual Fund. You can hit that subscribe button if you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online and how to go about investing your money. So till our next one, peace.